Today we'll show you how to delete programs or application from your Windows. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go now to this and open your settings. Okay guys, after you are open now your settings, just now go to applications. Here, just only one click and go to the first, it's like application installer. Okay, just only one click. Okay, I have now the match programs here. Okay, but I want now to choose for the test. Okay, I will now choose this is Xbox to delete it. Okay, or I will choose like Microsoft Clip Camp from this. Okay, just click like this and go to the installer like this and like this and wait it. It's like now it's installing and removed from my PC, removing never okay from here and never back here. Okay, just guys don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.